Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ranch dressing easy. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of fresh buttermilk, and some sour cream or Greek yogurt for extra creaminess. Using fresh ingredients is key to achieving that delicious, vibrant flavor and a wonderfully smooth texture. This recipe is incredibly straightforward and yields fantastic results every time. Now, let's talk about the heart of our ranch dressing, the herbs and spices. For that authentic taste, you'll want about 1 tablespoon each of finely chopped fresh parsley, dill, and chives. These fresh herbs make a huge difference. Then, incorporate 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Finish with a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to perfectly balance all the wonderful flavors. Mixing your ranch dressing to perfection is simple. First, combine your liquid ingredients like mayonnaise and buttermilk in a bowl. Then, gradually whisk in your dry spices and herbs until everything is smoothly incorporated. If you prefer a thinner dressing, simply add a little more buttermilk, 1 tablespoon at a time, until you reach your desired consistency. Remember to chill the dressing for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to fully develop and meld beautifully. One of the best parts about homemade ranch is customizing it. Feel free to add a dash of your favorite hot sauce for a little kick, or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for brightness. You can also experiment with other herbs, like cilantro or tarragon, to create your unique twist. For storage, simply transfer your delicious homemade ranch into an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and tasty for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.